You look at why you're cheating. No, I'm not. Yes, you are cheating. Yes, he's right. Even I said the ball was right there and not here. Oh, really? Maybe you done it so. Or maybe you moved it. No, maybe a spirit moved it. Hey, there are no such things as spirits and ghosts. No, there are. I myself saw them. Right there. No! Are you not able to scare me to death? I'm not playing with this cheating and trying to you. If I'm continue with the game, go and giving. What was that? I have no idea. Isn't one of your crafts again? Cause if it is. Come on now, I'm just sitting here. Did you all? I think it came from near the storeroom. Do you think we should go and check? No, I'm not allowed to go there. Grandma strictly forbidden it. It's really something there. Maybe a cat or a mouse. Let's go and check. Let's go and see.
What's your wish, my master?
Is this real? Are you really just a genie?
Yes, my master. I am the genie of this lamp. Tell me, why are you summoning me? What's your wish?
Are you really gonna fulfill any wishes?
Yes, I can just fulfill your one wish, not all.
Should we ask for the latest gaming console? Nah, this is so nothing. We should ask something for big, as we can wish for only one wish. We can ask for only one wish. So think guys, what we can ask for. Hey, I have an idea. Do you remember the assignment we have got in English? To write an essay on the futuristic vision of India. India of 2047. Yeah, so neither I nor you know what the India of future looks like. So why don't we ask Jenny to take us all there? Something like a time travel? For this brilliant purpose. Yes, time travel? Yes, that's a brilliant idea. Hey Jimmy,
Yes, my master.
I want you to take us all to the future of India to show us a glimpse of India 2047.
Do you really think that time travel is possible?
I told you we should have asked for the latest gaming console.
But master, your wish is my command. So I will take you to the glimpse of India of 2047.
Welcome to the India of 2047.
Wow.
Sophisticated infrastructure, skyscraper buildings, nestled labs, and beautiful nature. The network of highways and ring roads are so meticulously planned. It is ultra-urban with modern buildings, yet punctuated with abundant lush greenery. Truly an embodiment of a clean India and a green India and a sustainable India. Have you noticed that the infrastructure is aligned with solar panels and far beyond I can see solar fields and wind turbine farms. Come, master, let me show you around. We have explored so much, but did you notice we have not come across any slums or beggars? On the contrary, all look rich and living a luxurious life. Is it because we are a part of posh area of the city? Are there no slums?
No, man. Everywhere you go, you will find no slums. Nothing. There is everywhere is just luxury and abundance.
Wow, this really looks like the India of dreams.
But this is the reality of the future. I think we must go back to our time. Our parents will be wondering where we have gone. Hey Genie, I want you to take us back in our time.
As you wish, my master.